Hi, this is Janine and Dan from Running America. Today we're doing a tech talk, and before we get into that, I wanted to give a heartfelt thank you to all of you for following us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and for subscribing to our YouTube channel. It really does mean a lot, and if you haven't done so yet, please consider doing that. The links for the Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are above, and you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really greatly appreciate it. Now we're going to talk to you about a product that we just recently found out about, and it is exciting to us because we are going to use it always from now and forever.
So she's talking about OdorKlenz. This is their Sport Laundry version of OdorKlenz, which it's a laundry additive and it is a scent eliminator. So as runners, you guys know that running clothes start to stink after you wear them for a long time, especially if you have something that you like a lot, like my favorite running shorts that I wear all the time, and they just have that sour running smell. Look, they don't smell, do they? I know, these always smell, and they don't smell now. So it's pretty amazing. This stuff is great. It's all natural. It is environmentally safe. It's safe for pets. It's safe for humans, obviously. It's amazing. So it's an additive. You use it with your normal laundry detergent, whatever laundry detergent you use. You add this to it. Your laundry detergent is going to be your cleaning agent. This is going to be your odor removal agent. So it's actually going to eliminate the odors and all of this stuff, even the nasty sports bras that I can smell when I'm running with her. It doesn't smell anymore. You know, we all, I mean, you guys know as runners, you just have that, and you love your clothes. You don't want to give them up. They don't wear out. They just start smelling really bad. They're too expensive to keep buying more of them. So you need something to keep them clean or to keep them from smelling. And this stuff is awesome. We are excited about it. We're excited to put it through a little bit more rigorous testing, but so far, first time using it,
no odor.
No odor. I mean, like no odor.
Yeah.
It doesn't smell like anything. It just smells like you just bought this shirt, and it smells like a shirt. So make sure and check it out. Again, this is the Sport Laundry. They also have all kinds of fun stuff for pet odor removal and litter box additive stuff, because it is safe for pets. It's all natural. So you can check that out too. We're going to put all the links below. But let's talk about this too, you guys. I put some of this in my Newton running shoes that I've ran in probably for too long. I need some new ones, and they stunk. They were bad.
They were bad. They don't have any odor now.
I mean, she's smelling my shoes. She wouldn't smell my shoes, but they really don't stink. So this stuff it's killer. It's the odor eliminating powder. It's not just good for shoes. You can use it for all kinds of stuff, but it works. It's good stuff. OdorKlenz Sport, again, this is their sport line of odor eliminators. So make sure and check those out, and all the other stuff that they provide. They have all kinds of stuff, and if it all works this well, then we're going to be using it because we have pets too. So it's pet safe, human safe, environmentally safe. It's really good stuff. Try it. Again, OdorKlenz Sport Laundry, and OdorKlenz is with a K. It's Odor, K-L-E-N-Z. So make sure and look them up. We'll put links below, so if you guys want to check out the product, by all means do so. And if you follow the link and end up buying some, thank you very much, because you're actually helping us a little bit. We'll get a little small percentage of that. So we appreciate that. It's good. It's not there, is it?